my name is Emma. Today everyone should go to school, and we learn many things and have good memories at school. Do you have any favorite memory about school? I have two favorite memories at school. First one is my third grade teacher, and second one is I was got many gift certificates. There are two reasons for supporting why those are my favorite memories. Please listen carefully. First, third grade teacher's behavior was very nice to us. My first grade teacher was hit other students, so I thought the teachers were very scary. But my third grade teacher was very different. He behaved very nice to everyone. So now I don't think every teacher are scary. He helped me. I don't think like that before. Also, he teaches very well. I get very good grade at school. He is kind and smart person. I think maybe he is my best teacher ever. This memory became my favorite memory. I can't forget him. Second, I used gift certificate for buy that I want to get. Gift certificate can use for buy books, albums, or other things. I get this in school. For example, in fourth grade, I with my teacher with word game. So he gave me 10,000 won gift certificate. And in other situation, I win, so I get 5,000 won gift certificate and 80 colors markers. I use it that I want to buy like albums and join tutorial books. I was use it very well, so this is my another favorite memory. I was so happy when I give certificate in school. In conclusion, I have two favorite memories at school. First, one is my third grade teacher, and other one is I get many gift certificate at school. Because my third grade teacher's behavior was very nice, and I just gift certificate for buy that I want to get. When you like my speech, please push like button. Thank you for listening.